Hey, what's up guys, Aravind from Mr. Aravind. This is day 0 of my free Learn Linux series. So, if you want to become a hacker or a pen tester or anything in IT, the required skill is Linux. So, in this series, I'm going to teach you Linux from the very basics. So, if you want to learn Linux, if you want to explore more in Linux, means this is the best place for you to learn Linux. So, every week I upload one video on this series. So, this Learn Linux series might be useful to you. So, don't miss this. So, don't worry if you not have any Linux system, means on our day 1 video, I will show you how to use a free Linux system on cloud. So, you don't worry about the Linux system. So that's the quick intro of our Learn Linux series. So if you want to follow all our Learn Linux videos, means make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hope this video will be informative to you. Got questions? Ask them in comments, I will reply it for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified. Don't miss the upcoming videos of Learn Linux series. Okay guys, I will catch you in another exciting video. Until then, signing off from Mr. Aravind.